Baby, outside costs a minimum of $300, so we having date night at home. I'm making my husband this Thai shrimp pineapple boat. The first thing you want to do is cut your pineapple in half and then remove your pineapple. Give your pineapple a rough chop and then set it aside. Now all you have to do is season your shrimp. Use the seasonings that you like. And then chop up your garlic. I'm using this gadget I found on Amazon. I have it linked in my Amazon storefront. Now in a hot wok, you want to toast your macadamia nuts, set them aside, and then cook your shrimp. My good sis put me onto this tire cracker sauce. It's a sweet chili sauce that I found on Amazon. I have it listed in my favorite food section. Now all you want to do is work on your rice. You want to saute your green peppers, some garlic, some ginger, add in your pineapple, and then add in some scallions. Give everything a good mix and then add your day-old rice. Season with salt and white pepper and then bring on that soy sauce. Once you add your soy sauce, just add your toasted macadamia nuts back. And just like that, you got pineapple fried rice with toasted macadamia nuts. Because it's date night at home and we fancy over here, I'm serving mine in my pineapple boat. Added my shrimp around my pineapple boat and then drizzled on a little bit more sauce. This was a 10 out of 10. My husband enjoyed it and we had our coins in our pocket. After almost 10 years of marriage, I don't have to go to a fancy restaurant. I got everything right here at home.